matter and materials. Materials made up of matter. For example, cotton. The cloth is made up of cotton. That only materials. Here, cloth is material, cotton is matter. Next topic, properties of materials. Based on the properties, it can be divided into 4 groups. What are the one? Hard and soft materials. Hard and soft materials. What do you mean by hard materials? If you touch, does not easily break. The hard materials that does not easily break. Stone, example, stone. Soft materials. It can be easily break down. Next is shiny and dull materials. What do you mean by shiny materials? Shiny materials reflect the light. Example, gold, diamond. Dull materials, if you see any objects, does not reflect the light. That one is called dull materials. Next, rough and smooth materials. If you touch that one, not in smooth manners, having that up and down surface, that only rough materials. Does not have up and down, that one is called smooth materials. Example, tiles. Here rough materials, example, stone. Smooth materials, example, which one? Tiles. Next is flexible and rigid materials. What do you mean by flexible materials? Flexible materials easily flexible. For example, rubber band. Here rigid materials mean does not easily flexible. Next, waterproof materials. What do you mean by waterproof materials? The materials does not allow the water. That one is called waterproof materials. What are the one waterproof materials? Raincoat, umbrella, and then camera. So many, and then glasses. So many objects nowadays we see. Okay, ma'am. So waterproof materials. This only we saw in previous class. Shall we move to today class?
Hi cuties, good morning. How are you? I hope all are fine. Already we discussed matter and materials. The previous class also we discussed this topic only. The remaining portion only today class for you. Today for you first class, unit 2 matter and materials. Based on the permeability of light, the objects it can be divided into 3. Based on the permeability of light, the objects it can be divided into 3. Permeability means what? Tanmai. First one, transparent objects. Second one, translucent objects. Third one, opaque objects. Let us discuss one by one. First, types of object, transparent objects. What do you mean by transparent objects? Transparent objects allow the light to pass through them. The light allowed to pass through them. We can see the other objects clearly through transparent objects. What do you mean by transparent objects? The objects allow the light to pass the other side of the objects. So we can see the clear image of the objects. This only transparent objects. Example, air, glass, glass and pure water. Next, translucent objects. Translucent object. What do you mean by translucent objects? The objects allow some light only. That means half light only pass through them. That one is called translucent objects. We can see the blurred image. Blurred image na what? That one not in a clear image. We get that like that மங்கலா இருக்கிற ஒரு இமேஜ் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும் அப்படிங்கறாங்க. What do you mean by translucent objects? The objects allow some light to pass through them. Some light only to pass through them. That one is called translucent objects. We cannot see objects clearly. We cannot see objects clearly, but we can see them as blurred images. This only translucent objects. Example, paper soaked in oil, snow and vegetable oil. Here you see the picture. How do you see? This side, this one what? Owl. One side clear image through the paper soaked in oil, we see the blurred image. This only translucent objects. Next we discuss about opaque objects. What do you mean by opaque objects? Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Opaque objects do not allow to light to pass through them. We cannot see through these objects. We cannot see through these objects. Example, wood, stone and metals. What do you mean by opaque objects? The light do not allow to pass through them. Example, stone. Through the stone, we pass the light. What will get the other side? Shadow only we get. So, the light do not allow to pass through them. So, we cannot see the objects. Example, which one? Wood, stone and metals. Here you see the picture, transparent object. First one, white light. Through the white light, we see the clear image of the other side. This one, transparent objects. Next, green light, opaque objects. What do you mean by opaque object? Do not allow the light to other side of the objects. This only opaque objects. Next, translucent object, yellow color light. This half only allow the light to other side of the objects. So we get the blurred images. Through the translucent objects, we get the blurred image. Here you see the picture. This one, camel. Camel or giraffe? Very good, giraffe only. Opaque. First one, opaque. Next, translucent, transparent. Transparent, opaque. Nothing to see in that opaque. Giraffe, nothing to see in the opaque. Translucent, which one we see? Blurred images. Transparent objects, we get clear image of the objects. Next, reflection of light. What do you mean by reflection? If you pass through the light to get, again we reach our eyes, we see the objects, that only reflection. In daytime, you see all the objects in and around our surroundings. How do you see? The light reached on the object and then get into our eye. So only we see the clear image of the objects. Reflection of light. Light sources. We see the world around us with the help of light. In and around we see so many objects. How do you see? With the help of light only we see the objects. We see the objects. So, where do we get light from? How do you get light from? Light may come either from the sun or from the other sources like electric lamp or a bulb. How do you get the light? First we get the light from sun. Sun only primary source of light. Next, electric bulb and electric lamp or a bulb. We get the light. Next, the objects that give off light are called light sources. Which objects give the light? That one is called light sources. So many objects we see. Which objects give light? That only called light sources. Reflection of light, what we discuss? In and around our world, we see so many things. How do you see? With the help of light only. What do you mean by source of light? Which one give the light? That only source of light. Which one primary source of light? Sun is the primary source of light. Next, electric lamp and bulb. This also give light. That also called which one? Light sources. The objects that give off light, that are called light sources. Next, our topic, reflection. What do you mean by reflection? When light falls on a transparent material. When light falls on a transparent material, it passes through it. It passes through it. However, when light falls on a polished surface of an opaque material, it does not pass through it. It bounces back. It bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. What do you mean by reflection? When light falls on a transparent material, what do you mean by transparent material? The light fully allowed to other side of the object. That only transparent material. If you pass the light through on them, fully passes. Here you see the picture. This one, sea. If you see the image of our image in the water. However, when light falls on a polished surface of an opaque material means do not allow pass through them, opaque material, it does not pass through it, it bounces back. What here say? If any polished or smooth surface, light reach on the surface means what will see? Do not get clear image. The light bouncesனா திருப்பி எதிரொலிக்கிறது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Next, the bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. எதிரொலித்தல் தான். எந்த ஒரு பாலிஸ்டு சர்ஃபேஸ்னால் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், டைல்ஸு, அப்புறம் இந்த ஃப்ளோர்னால் என்ன, அது கீழே இருக்க தரை. இந்த பாலிஸ்டு சர்ஃபேஸில் எந்த ஒரு லைட்டும் என்ன செய்யாது, அதர் சைடை ரீச் ஆகாது. ஒபேக் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இது. அதனால் என்ன செய்யுதுன்னா அது மறுபடி எதிரொலிக்குது. அதுதான் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் அவர் டாபிக், இமேஜஸ். What do you mean by images? How do you get images? When you look into the mirror, you can see your own face on the mirror. What do you see? Always in front of the mirror only we stand and what we do? We do makeup. Okay, so when you look into the mirror, what do you see? You can see your own face on the mirror. What purpose you see the mirror? நம்ம அழகாக இருக்கோமா, நம்ம எப்படி இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு பார்க்கறதுக்காக தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்கிறோம், கண்ணாடியை பார்க்குறோம். இஃப் யூ see the mirror, what we get your own face on the mirror. What you see in your reflection of your face in the mirror? நம்ம எதை பார்க்குறோம், நம்மளோட ஃபேஸோட ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷனை தான் நம்ம மிரரில் பார்க்குறோம், எதிரொலிக்கிறத தான் பார்க்குறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட், we also see reflection of other objects that are in front of the mirror. Not only your face, anything in front of the mirror you kept means that also reflect. Here you see the picture, orange. In front of the mirror, keep that orange means what we see in the mirror, the orange image we get. These reflections are formed by light and they are called images. இந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன்லாம் எங்கே வருது, இந்த லைட்டில் வருது. அதை நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், இமேஜஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். இப்போ if you see anyone look into the mirror, for example, in front of the mirror you stand, what we see in the mirror? We see our own image. What purpose you see? We look at the mirror for see your image. What do you see is a reflection of your face in the mirror. We also see reflection of other objects, not only your face. Any objects you keep in front of the mirror means that also reflected. Apple, orange, and then any vessels, patron, all the fruits he kept means all the one we see the mirror. How will you see? The images only. It reflect the light and get images. These reflections are formed by light and they are called images. இந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணுற மிரர் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணுறது தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், இமேஜஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட், recap. What are the one discussed in the class? Types of object. How many types of objects? How will it can be classified? It can be classified based on the transparency of objects. Transparency of the object, it can be divided into 3. What are they? Transparent object, translucent object, opaque object. What do you mean by transparent object? Transparent object allow light to pass through them. That only transparent object. We see the clear image through transparent object. Next, translucent object. What do you mean by translucent object? In that translucent object, half light only to pass through them. So we get the blurred images. Next, opaque objects. The opaque objects do not allow the light to pass through them. We cannot get any images on the other side. This only types of object. Transparent object, translucent object and opaque object. Next, light sources. What are the one light sources? Which one give light? Which one give light? That only light sources. For primary source of light sources, which one? Sun is the primary source of light sources. Any other example you say the light sources? Electric lamp and bulb. This is also electric lamp and bulb also light sources. Which one give light? Which one give light for us? That only is called light sources. What are the things give the light? That one is called light sources. Next, reflection. What do you mean by reflection? If the objects that give our light are called light sources. Next, reflection. What do you mean by reflection? The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன்னா என்ன? ஏதாவது ஒரு பாலிஸ்டு சர்ஃபேஸ்லேயோ ஸ்மூத் சர்ஃபேஸ்லேயோ லைட்டை பாஸ் பண்ணுறப்ப அது என்ன செய்யுது? எதிரொலிக்குது. அதுதான் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், இமேஜஸ். வாட் யூ மீன் பை இமேஜஸ்? We see our face in the mirror and also any one object we kept in front of the mirror, that also we see. That only images. We also see reflection of other objects that are in front of the mirror. Any objects you kept in front of the mirror, all the objects we get the images. These reflections are formed by light and they are called images. எப்படி அந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் வருது? லைட்டு தான் அந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷனை கொடுக்குது. அதை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? இமேஜஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். What are the one we discussed today class? Types of objects. What are the types of objects? Transparent object, translucent object, opaque objects. Next, light sources. Which one give off light? That only called light sources. Next, reflection. What do you mean by reflection? The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. Last and final one, images. We see our image in the mirror. You can see your image, your own face on the mirror. Any objects you kept in front of the mirror, that also reflect the light. That only images. These reflections are formed by light and they are called images. Thank you dears. I hope you all are understood this class. The remaining part will continue in the next class. Thank you dear. Do well. Now book reading. Based on the permeability of light, it can be divided into three: transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Here you see the picture. Have you ever seen through the bus window? Some objects allow light to pass through them. This helps us to see through them as the window of a bus. Let us see how different objects behave with light. Here you see the picture. Front side, seeing the object clearly. In between the glass, that one not clear image. And then this side also blurred image. Next, transparent objects. What do you mean by transparent object? Transparent object allow light to pass through them. This one allow the light to pass through them. So we can see other objects clearly through transparent objects. Example, air, glass and pure water. What do you mean by transparent object? This object allow the light to pass through them. So only we can see the clear image of the other side. So this one transparent object. Next, translucent object. What do you mean by translucent object? Here you see the picture. First, transparent object, you see the picture. Light, to pass through them, all light passes through the other side. Water, so this one clear image, this one transparent object. Next one, translucent object. Here you see the picture, same like that, but here which one given? First transparent object, water given. Here vegetable oil. So some light only passes through. So some light only passes through. Translucent object allow some light to pass through them. So we cannot see objects clearly. We cannot see object clearly. But we see them as blurred images. Blurred images means what? மங்கலான இமேஜ் மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு தெரியும். Why? Translucent object allows some light only to pass through them. So we cannot see objects clearly. We can see the blurred images only. Example, paper soaked in oil, snow and vegetable oil. This one example for which one? Translucent object. Next, opaque objects. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Do not allow light to pass through them. So we cannot see through these objects. We get the dark image only. So why? The opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Example, which one? Wood, stone and metals. Here you see the picture, opaque objects, light through wood. Which one given? The other side, no light passes through them. So this one opaque object. Next, think and answer. Why should we build the walls of the house with bricks, opaque material instead of glass transparent material? Next, complete the worksheet. Complete the worksheet. Complete the sentence in your own words. Transparent objects allow what? You write the correct answer here. Translucent objects allow dash. Opaque objects allow dash. Next, try to answer. Write whether the objects are transparent, translucent or opaque. Here some objects given for you. You write the space. Which one transparent object? Which one translucent objects? Which one opaque objects? You know clearly. Transparent object means all the light to pass through them. Translucent means half light only. Blurred image we get. So half light only passes through them. Next, transparent, translucent. Next, which one? Opaque object. The object do not allow the light other side. First one, which one? Red color water bottle. This one, which objects you write the dash. Here this one, yellow color glass bottle. Next, here you see sea water. This one, which transparent or translucent object. Here white color glass. This one what? Next, wood. Next, this one, which one? Snow. The car. How you see the image? Based on this you write the which objects. Next, reflection of light. What do you mean by reflection of light? The light reflect. That one is called reflection of light. For example, in daytime you see all the objects in and around us. How you see? We see the objects through light. That one reflect the light. So only any one object the light get after reflect. So only in daytime we see all the objects in and around our objects. In night time the reflection of light not functioning. Here you see this one, light. We see the world around us with the help of light. How do you see? We see the world around us. How do you see? With the help of light only we see the world. Next, where do we get light from? Where do we get light from? Light may come either from the sun. Where do we get? Either from the sun or from other sources like an electric lamp or a bulb. Not only sun and also some sources also give light. Which one? Electric lamp and bulb. The objects that give off light are called light sources. Which objects give the light? That one is called light sources. Example, electric bulb and then electric lamp or a bulb. This one give light for you. So this one is called light sources. Next, reflection of light, light sources we see. Next topic. When light falls on a transparent material, it passes through it. Which one passes through it? When light falls on a transparent material. Transparent material passes through it. However, when light falls on a polished surface of an opaque material, it does not pass through it. It bounces back. The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. What given this paragraph means? Reflection. Transparent material. That one you know. Transparent material means full light allow other side. Light transparent easily from other side of the objects. So this one transparent material. The light falls on a polished surface of an opaque material. It does not pass through it. It bounces back. That means what? The tiles and other polished surfaces, no? Light falls means what will given? It bounces it. Bounces na again come to our side. Does not pass through the light. The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. பவுன்சிங்னா ஒளிப்பட்டு எதிரொலிக்கிறது, அதுதான் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட், when you look into the mirror, you can see your own face on the mirror. When you look into the mirror, often we see the mirror. What do you see? We see our face. What do you see is a reflection of your face in the mirror. We also see reflection of other objects that are in front of the mirror. These reflections are formed by light and they are called images. They are called which one? Images. When you look into the mirror, what do you see? When you look into the mirror, you can see your own face on the mirror. Same like that. What do you see is a reflection of your face in the mirror. We also see reflection of other objects that are in front of the mirror. உன்னோட ஃபேஸை பார்த்தா நம்ம என்ன செய்கிறோம்? நம்மளோட ஃபேஸை கண்ணாடியில் பார்க்குறோம். சேம் லைக் தட். அந்த கண்ணாடிக்கு முன்னாடி, அந்த மிரருக்கு முன்னாடி என்னென்ன ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதையும் என்ன செய்யுது? அது ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறாங்க. அந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷனை தான், தீஸ் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் ஆர் ஃபார்ம்டு பை லைட். அதை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? இமேஜஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறோம். தட் ஒன்லி கால்ட் இமேஜஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட், ட்ரை டு ஆன்சர். Try to see your face on some materials like mirror, exam pad, new stainless steel plate, tabletop and water in a plate. What are the materials that show your face clearly? Do you know why? How do you see the image? So many objects given here. Which one give clear image? Which one not give clear image? You write that correct option. Next one, activity. Reflection of light. What are the materials required for reflection of light? A plant mirror and torchlight. How to do? Make your room dark by closing the door and windows. Ask your friend to hold a mirror in his or her hand at one corner of the room. Stand at another corner with a torch in your hand. Switch it on. Direct the light from the torch onto the mirror. Answer the following from your observation. Here you see the picture. How do you prove that reflection of light? You stand in one place, your room. How do you do? Windows and all the doors closed, dark. Then only take the mirror one side, stand on one side, other two side, torchlight take and switch on the torchlight. Through which one? Mirror. What do you get? Reflection of light will get. Now you write the answer. Answer the following from your observation. When you change the angle of the mirror, what happens to the light? Are you able to direct the reflected light using the mirror? Next, more to know. Mirrors can reflect sound waves too. Mirror can reflect which one? Sound waves also reflect. So they were used in the Second World War to detect sound comings from the enemy aircraft. How do you find out? Through the reflection of light. Next, now material reading, lesson 2, matter and materials. First Roman dictation words, sources. First to 6th Roman already see. Again one time revise this class. Okay. First one, sources. SOURCES, sources. Second one, plastics. PLASTICS, plastics. Third one, opaque. OPAQUE, opaque. Fourth one, waterproof. WATER, waterproof. PROOF, waterproof. Fifth one, raincoat. RAIN, rain. Coat, COAT, raincoat. Next, second Roman, missing letters. Reflection. REFLECTION, reflection. REFLECTION, reflection. Second one, mirror. MIRROR, mirror. Third one, properties. PROPERTIES, properties. Fourth one, transparent. TRANSPARENT, transparent. Fifth one, translucent. TRANSLUCENT, translucent. Third Roman, fill in the blanks. Materials which can be compressed or cut easily are called soft materials. Materials which can be compressed or cut easily are called soft materials. Second one, gold and diamond are the examples of shiny materials. Third one, materials which can be bent or stretched easily are called flexible. Fourth one, transparent objects allow all the light to pass through them. Fifth one, light is a natural source that stimulates sight and makes things visible. Fourth Roman, match the following. First one, light source, sun. Second one, waterproof, raincoat. Third one, transparent, glass. Translucent, vegetable oil. Fifth one, opaque, metal. Fifth Roman, say true or false. First one, we cannot compress, cut or bend the rough materials easily. False. Second one, dull materials reflect light. False. Sandpaper is a good example for smooth materials. False. Fourth one, opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. True. Fifth one, mirrors change the direction of light that fall on them. True. Sixth Roman, find the odd one. Here 4 option or 3 option given for you. 3 also same manner, 1 only differ in characteristic or any other purpose. That one you circle it. Brick, coir, pineapple, silk cloth. These three also rough material. Silk cloth only, soft material and shiny material. Next, rubber band, cycle tube, electric wire, stone. Rubber band, cycle tube, electric wire, reflector, that one is called flexible in nature. Stone, very tough in nature and also hard. Third one, sun, candle, torch, pen. These three also given light, but pen using for writing purpose. Umbrella, raincoat, jerkin, these three also used for rainy season. Sponge only differ. Next, glass bottle, exam pad, paper plate, wooden board. Exam pad, paper plate, wooden board, three also. Which one? Opaque objects. Glass bottle only transparent object. Next, 7th Roman 5 and 6, 5th question and 6th question. What is hard and soft materials? Materials that cannot be compressed. Materials that cannot be compressed are known as hard materials. மெட்டீரியலை ஈஸியாக என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, கட் பண்ண முடியாது, கம்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. தட் ஒன்லி ஹார்ட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள் brick, bone and steels. Next, materials that can be easily compressed, easily bent and easily cut are known as soft materials. Which materials cannot be compressed, that one is called hard materials. Materials which can be easily compressed, that one is called soft materials. Example, foam, clay and skin. Foam na nurai. Next, what is material? What is material? The matter from which a thing is made of is called material. The matter, you know that one. Material we get from matter. The matter given for material. So, the matter from which a thing is made of. The material is made of matter. Example, which one? Chair is made of wood. Candle is made of wax. This only which one? Material. Next, detailed question, second question. Classify the objects given below as transparent, translucent or opaque material. Here some objects given for you. You want to classify which one transparent material, which one translucent material, which one opaque material. That only this question. Here what are the property given, what are the materials given for you? Air, rock, water, aluminium foil, mirror, snow, wooden board, polythene bag, CD, oil soaked paper, glass tumbler and colored glass. This all the one. Which one come under the transparent material? Air, transparent material. Water, mirror, glass tumbler. Easily light allow pass through them. What are the objects given? Inside what are the one present? Easily identify. Why? The objects easily allow the light. Full light pass through them. That one transparent material. Half light only pass through them. That one translucent material. Example, which one? Snow, polythene bag, oil soaked paper, colored glass. Next, opaque material. Which one? Do not allow the light pass through them. This one is called opaque material. Rock, aluminium foil, wooden board, CD. This one, which one? Opaque materials. I hope you all are understand the questions clearly. Next, worksheet. What are the one given here? Worksheet. Look at the picture and identify the materials by which they are made of. You know that one here given the which one? Given the answer in bracket. First one, paper, clay, glass, wood, plastic, metal, rubber, wax. Here given that material, which one made of? First one I give example for you. Plastic. This one made of plastic. Next you write the correct answer. Next, bag. Bag is made of which one? Brick is made of which one? Next glass bottle. This one wood. Next you write the correct answer in the given space. Next match the objects that are made of same material. A, B, C given here. The material which one made of? First one plastic. A chair. B வந்து which one? Wood, wooden material. C leather material. All the plastic material you want to match that one. Match the objects that are made of same materials. All the plastic and all you match that one. Second wooden material. Next leather material. Third Roman, short the given object as hard, soft, rough and smooth. You write the correct option. Wood, which one? Rough material or smooth material or soft material or you write the answer in the column. Next cotton. Next one eraser. Next one cloth. Next wet soap. Coil, feather, stone. Glass ball, paper board, sandpaper, plastic spoon. Next brick is made of which one? Soft material. And then which one? Soft, shiny material, hard material. Here given the option also. Rough, soft, smooth. You write the space correctly. Tiles, rock. Last one mirror. Fourth Roman, complete the sentence in your own words. Transparent objects allow dash. Second one, translucent objects allow dash. Allows what? How to reflect the light. How to transparent the light. Transparent objects allow dash. Second one, translucent objects allow dash. Third one, opaque objects allow dash. Next, fifth Roman. Write whether the objects are transparent, translucent or opaque. Here given some objects, you write the correct option. Which one transparent, which one translucent, which one opaque object. You write the space. First one, red color water bottle. Second one, yellow color glass. Next one, C. White color glass tumbler. Next one, wood. Last one, which one? Car. Car and then snow. Which one? This one. Transparent, translucent. You write the correct option correctly. I hope you understand the class. The next, we will meet in the next class. Thank you, dears.